Hello everyone, welcome back. Tonight is burger night, so I'm going to be making some cheeseburgers. And in our family, everyone likes a different way, so I have a variety of toppings and I'm going to be using buns of a couple of sizes. Earlier tonight, Anu made some very nice sesame seed buns and you can see how soft they are. They're perfect, so I'm going to make sure my burgers will fit this size. So these are fresh out of the oven. And for my burgers today, I have some lamb. I'm going to be making lamb burgers. And my marinade is a very simple one. I put some garlic in it, and that's just finely minced garlic. Adds a lot of flavor. And just a tad of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have this, you don't have to really add it. It's optional. So just a little bit. So when you're marinating, make sure you take out any juices and water from the meat. It has to be nice and dry. If not, the burger patties will fall apart. So that's tip number one. And keep watching the whole video because I will be talking about tips as we go through it. Now this is a steak seasoning that I have, and don't worry if you don't have it, because all this is, what's in here is powdered garlic, some rock salt, and black peppercorns are the main ingredients, and a few others. But if you have those three, you can just add those instead. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in here. And this has a lot of flavor, so I'm going to add maybe about 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons worth of it. So that should do it right there. And also some fresh oregano. So we put this in, give this a nice little toss, and we're going to make some patties. I'm going to get about 4 to 5 patties out of this, so I'll make those and then I'll throw them on the bread. Okay, so I've made my patties and I've got 4, and I had a little extra. So a little one for my youngest daughter. She loves those mini cute little burgers, so we'll do that for her. And let me start dropping them in here. I'll see if I can get 5, but I know I can get 4 in there for sure. Oh, you can already smell burgers. Now normally I make these burgers outside on the grill, but this pan I found works really well. And plus the lighting is better indoors, so you can actually view the video better. If I did outside, it'd be dark and all you'll hear is the sound of cooking, but you can't see it. So for my topping, while that's sizzling, today I have some caramelized onions. They're not fully caramelized. I've partially caramelized them with some garlic. And I also have some mushrooms. These are oyster mushrooms. And I have put also some garlic and some parmesan and salt and pepper. So I have those two, and of course the standards. I have lettuce, tomato, some cheese, and some gherkins or pickle. I don't have any raw onions because in our family we like them grilled better. And then I have a choice of ketchup. This is homemade mustard. You can use store-bought as well. And then I have some mayonnaise. So we're going to let these grill up. It's going to take about 5 minutes to 6 minutes on each side. Make sure the meat cooks through to your desired level. Some like it medium well. We like it about medium well, but not fully well done. So there's still some juice in them. So we're going to cook it medium well tonight. That's about 6 minutes on each side. And then we'll come back, assemble our cheeseburger. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put cheese on top of them. And my burger is nice and brown. So I'll add the cheese on there, let that cheese melt off. And here's the tip number 2. Make sure you cook on medium heat, not on high heat. You sear the burgers on the outside and they're going to be raw on the inside. What I also do is take a lid, doesn't have to fit exactly, and we cover them so that some of that steam helps the cooking process, and this will also help the cheese melt faster. In fact, it's almost done, so I'm going to turn off my heat. The cheese is already nice and melty and gooey. So let's grab our first one that's done over there, and we'll start assembling. So for my assembly today, I've already cut up one of the buns, which I showed you earlier, and I'm going to first put a bottom layer of mayonnaise on that burger. So let's get some mayonnaise on there, nice generous helping, and throw some lettuce, maybe a couple of those, and then I'm going to grab one of my patties that are done. That looks good right there. Put them on, and there you go. So we have a nice burger over there. We're going to add also to this some tomatoes. So before that, I'm going to put some mustard on this side, and I'm going to also add some of my, ooh, that's nice oozy mustard. Okay, and I'm going to add a tomato, Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to add also my grilled onions. Let's throw some on top, like so. And we have puppies screaming in the background. We have 8 of them at home, so it's always fun. Then we put some mushrooms. That's a nice loaded burger right there. And if you want, what I like is gherkins. I love gherkins a lot, so I'm going to add just a few of those pickles on there. And there we have our nice big burger mountain. So that's my burger, folks. Ketchup's optional. I don't like ketchup on mine. The kids do, so when I make theirs, it's going to have ketchup on there. It's time for a taste test. So let's see. I don't know if I can get this all in one piece, but I'm going to give it a shot. See that? Perfectly cooked on the inside. Got some cheese on there, mustard, mayonnaise. Can't really go wrong. Burger nights are always the best. Have fun, guys. Do subscribe. I'll see you next time.